Hey, so today we're breaking in the 318 on the running stand. I did have an issue with the rocker arms. I do have the 273 rocker arms and they were not oiling properly. It was actually leaking out around the bolt, like it wasn't sealed to the head properly. So I just ended up switching to the stock rocker arm and push rod setup, and it worked perfectly fine. Ran the motor for 45 minutes. And yeah, I was kind of dealing with that issue, so I didn't get to video that much of it, but I got about 2 minutes or so. But yeah, there will be a clip that shows it when it has too much timing and it has a pretty good backfire at the carburetor. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the video anyway. And